Hey, today we are going to discuss about specifications of Honda CR-V 2023 in a short form. Before diving into the specs, please subscribe to our channel. The estimated price of this car is $32,335 US. Engine, 1.5-liter turbo. Max power, 190 horsepower. Max torque, 179 lb-ft, gearbox, CVT. Mileage, 30 miles per gallon. Drivetrain, front-wheel drive. Wheel size, 17 inches. Length, 184.8 inches. Width, 73.5 inches. Height, 66.2 inches. Wheelbase, 106.3 inches. Seating, 5-seater. Airbags, 10. Body colors, 8. Price according to models. LX, $29,705 US. EX, $32,355 US. Sport Hybrid, $33,695 US. EXL, $35,005 US. Sport Touring Hybrid, $40,395 US. Before moving forward, let's focus on US sales chart for 6 years till the month of October 2023. The CR-V's handsome interior design is highlighted by a honeycomb textured insert spanning most of the dash, discreetly hiding the air vents. The steering wheel frames a partially digital gauge cluster with an analog speedometer and a 7.0-inch display that allows the driver to swap between different informational menus. Honda says the front seats are designed to decrease driver fatigue on long trips and that the new CR-V's driving position has been improved. Between the front seat passengers is a large center console bin, and behind them are reclining back seats with an extra 0.6 inch of rear legroom compared with the outgoing CR-V. There are 36 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and 39 cubes on gas-only models with the adjustable load floor in its lowest position. The CR-V's infotainment system operates through a 7.0-inch touchscreen on the LX, EX, and Sport trim levels. The setup features physical volume and tuning knobs as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The EXL and Sport Touring models have a 9.0-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Specifications. We hope you have enjoyed this video and got a lot of information from this video. Before the end, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.